learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it's time for Pat to go Hakka on FM 100 ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And this month, we're taking a little different approach where we're going to give you a Q&A situation and have different answers. 其实呢，我们要继续要教大家这个客语的一些生字还有词句，但是呢，会有一点点不一样，就是说我们会有一个问答的感觉。
对。
那这整个月呢，我们都在教大家怎么去回答你有空吗？ Do you have time? That's this month's theme.
有閒冇？
You had more, okay? That means, do you have time? Okay, 我们现在把时间抓到晚上好了。我问你，晚上有空吗？好不好？
哎呦，
突然间 ，Alice 的眼睛就叮叮。
现在大白天马上问晚上。
晚上有空吗？怎么说？
安补呀，有閒冇？
安补呀，有寒冇 ？Obviously， 安补呀就是今天晚上是这个意思吗？晚上有寒冇？那你的答案是？
有。
哎呀耶！
等一会。我做嘛嘅？
当然要问要做什么，尤其是晚上，对不对？Alice's answer is you. That means yes. 我做嘛嘅啊 ？Good question. 要做什么事吧？先去逛个街好了。去逛街怎么说呢 ？Alice
來去逛街。
來去逛街哦，逛街就是逛街嘛。
對。
誰街？
那海陸腔有點不太一樣。
OK。
逛街。
逛街哦，所以來去逛街。逛街 is a different dialect for saying go shopping. 那去逛街就是莫非就是要買新衣服還有鞋子 So how do you say let's go buy new clothes and shoes 買新衣服和鞋子
買新衫
買新衫老海要去新的山然後在老海撈海啊又要上山又要下海啊的感覺
不是
這麼費功夫啊買個衣服跟鞋子
新衫是新衣
新衣啦
新衣服海就是鞋子
海是鞋哦 How cute, how adorable It sounds like let's go to the mountains and go to the sea But it really means let's go buy new clothes and shoes
買新衫老海
買新衫老海 Okay, let's review all these phrases right now Okay, 晚上有空嗎 Do you have time tonight?
安補呀有閒冇
安補呀有閒冇 And then, yes, what do you want to do?
You, 愛做嘛嘅
You, 愛做嘛嘅 And let's go shopping, 去逛街
來去逛街
來去逛街 And let's go buy new clothes and shoes
買新衫老海
買新衫老海 Now you know how to ask someone if they have time and do something together That does it for today's Practical Hakka
什麼大家
安子 say 張磊了
客家風情由客家委員會監製
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.